Well, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video where we're going to recap some of the trades that I made on the day. Nonetheless, another green day. Got about $800 under the belt. Was up to it was at $1,400. Made a couple trades afterwards that just kind of gave back little paper cuts, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. And at that point, I'm like, there's no point in trying to press this anymore. Just keep the money, take it, and then come back tomorrow for another trading day. So end of the day up here, about $800 green. So we'll start sharing the screen so you guys can see what it was that I traded. So Roku. So end up making a total of $977 on Roku. Ended up giving back a little bit of money 2 times on it, unfortunately, like a jabron. So let's go into it. Okay, so first trade on the day was a long play. Got 1,000 shares here at $92.81. So right about here, top of this candle, we pop up. We hit a high of 93.79 and take off 800 shares. Leave on 200 shares. We kind of rip back up. I sell another 100 shares at 94.71 and then sell my last 100 shares at 95.01, basically catching almost this whole move up. Then I did a small little dip buy here of 1,000 shares at 94.86, looking for a break over previous highs. Kind of pops up, sell 800 shares at 95.11. And sell my last 200 shares as I realize it's not going to break out at 94.85, which was my entry at 94.86. So I got stopped out there to break even. Then popped in here for another long of 400 shares. You can see I decreased the share size because we already failed to break out. So I'm like, I'll look to get in another trade here, see if we break out and squeeze over high. So went in long 400 shares, decrease the size. As soon as I get in, we push over the mark. Struggles, realize we're probably not going to make it, so I take it off. Then I had one more trade here, which was for a bounce, which I obviously was just a tad bit early. I jumped the gun on this, was a little too early. If I would have waited, would have got a little bit more confidence in this trade, and so it was just me jumping in early. So I jumped in 1,000 shares at 93.26, ended up taking them off at 92.92 as we started to press back down. We filled this 1 minute gap on the chart beginning of the day, but if we kind of snapped that, went for a low a day test, it would have been a shit storm. Would have lost all the profits I made. So couldn't really allow that to happen. So mistake here with this trade is I jumped in way too early. Could have waited a little bit longer. If we had waited, we were in at 93.26. Price actions all the way up to 94. So we're at about an $800 trade here. If I would have just waited just a little bit longer, been a little bit more patient. Actually, it wouldn't have been an $800 trade because knowing myself, this would have popped up. I would have took off majority of it right here. So it probably would have made about $300. Probably would have been a $400 trade, being more realistic with myself there. So it's all right, is what it is. End of the day, $977 there on Roku. Traded AMD once here. Did a long play. Obviously, you can see that didn't work. So I got in 2,500 shares here on this dip at $30.33. Ended up taking off at $30.28 as this candle rolls over and realize it's not going to happen. So we had, I can't really draw it for you, but we had a nice up, down off a fib bounce, back up, pulling back. Was going to look for a curl this way and a break over some of these highs at 30.48. Clearly didn't work. Got in 2,500 shares on this dip. Could tell it was going to roll over, so took the shares off, losing $147. I actually exited on the top of this candle. The market makers held my order till they dropped it out a few cents so they could give me a lower fill. Is what it is. Happens every once in a while. Not going to complain too much. End up losing $147 there. What was the last one I traded? Oh, wait. There was one. No, that was it. Yeah, those were all the trades. Yeah, those are all the trades for the day. So yeah, pretty decent day. Not going to complain by any means. So here we are, $815 total P&L there. So pretty good day, ladies and gentlemen. Can't complain. So I appreciate you guys for tuning into the video. I hope you learned something new by me going over these every single day. Another green day in the books, so I can't complain. Going to keep rolling in the green, at least hopefully. So again, if you guys want to join into our trading team, we do these trades live every single day, so you can get in on them, you can learn from them, and you can join our community, which, by the way, has quite a few advanced traders in it. So not only myself, but you can learn from them as well if you're looking to expedite the process of your trading career. All right, guys, with that being said, thank you once again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.